Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to everyone. Today I would like to present our group assignment about monthly spending on entertainment. Okay, this study explore how students allocate their budget toward various forms of entertainment and what this reveals about our spending habits. Our group consists of Muhammad Haikal Hakimi, Muhammad Haikal Latif, Siti Hajar and myself, Farhana Azwana. Okay, here is a quick overview of our presentation. Okay, first we will begin with a short introduction followed by the objective of our study, and next we will dive into the data analysis, then move on to the conclusion we have drawn from the data. Finally, we will provide our contact detail in case there are any question or feedback. Okay, entertainment plays an important role in student life. It helps us relax and find balance between academic stress and personal enjoyment. We often spend money on things like streaming services, gaming, movies, or hobbies. In this study, we analyze how much students spend each month on entertainment. The purpose is to gain insight into our spending habits and help promote better budgeting among students. Okay, now we'll take a look the objective of our assignment. First, to determine the average monthly entertainment spending of students. Second, to identify the most common type of entertainment such as streaming, gaming, or going out. Third, to understand the factors that influence our spending habits. Next, to assess how entertainment spending impacts student overall budget. And lastly, to promote smart money management and raise awareness about responsible spending.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haikal Latif bin Syaiful Bahri from DKP 3A. I want to present about calculation using Microsoft Excel. Alright, for this part, I'm going to explain how we do the calculation using Excel. We are focusing on three main things: mean, median, and mode. First up, the mean or the average. I use the formula equal average in Excel. After calculating, the average value comes out to be RM 207. Next, we have the median, which is basically the middle value when all the data is arranged in order. I use the equal median formula and the result is RM 115. And lastly, the mode, which is the means, the value that appears the most often. I use equal mode and we get RM15 here too, since that value show up the most in the data set. So yeah, using Excel make it really easy and fast to calculate all of this. No need to do it manually, just type in the formula and you are good to go. Okay, now moving on the next part, which is also done using Excel. We got variance and standard deviation. For variance, I use the formula equal var.s in Excel. This is how spread out the numbers from the mean. So here the variance is RM 44,717, which shows there's quite a bit of variation in the data. Then for standard deviation, I use the equal stdev.s formula. This one help us understand how much the value deviate from the average. From the calculation, we got a standard deviation of RM 211.46 cents, meaning the value are spread out quite a bit around the mean. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, for this slide, I create two types of histogram, one for ungroup data and one for group data. The first one is the ungrouped histogram. This is show every individual data value, so we can see exactly how many times each specified amount appears. It's more detailed, but it can look a bit messy if there's a lot of data.
Based on the histogram, here is what I can explain. The first is title and research question. The histogram shows the monthly spending of students on entertainment, including movies, comics, online subscription, and phone bills. The second is spending range class intervals. The spending is divided into several class intervals such as first RM0 until RM150 ringgit, second RM151 ringgit until RM300, third RM301 ringgit until 450, and so on up to RM901 ringgit until 1050 ringgit. Third, frequency distribution. The first is the RM0 until 150 range has the highest frequency with 13 students. This shows that most students spend a low amount on entertainment. The second is RM151 ringgit until RM300 range has 11 students, still quite a high number. Next, after that, the frequencies drop significantly. For example, only 5 students fall in the RM301 ringgit until 450 range. The highest class RM901 ringgit until 1050 ringgit has no students. The next part is conclusion. I have 8 conclusions. The first is students spend different amounts on entertainment each month. The second, some spend a little while others spend a lot. Third, states like mean, median, and standard deviation shows the variation. A histogram shows common spending patterns among students. Entertainment is important, but spending should be balanced. Next, students need to be aware of how it fits into their full budget. Good budgeting helps students enjoy entertainment without money stress. And the last one is promoting smart financial habits leads to better spending decisions. Thank you.